Hello, hi dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss JEE Mains MSET type questions in the topic circles. Let us have a discussion. Three coins of unit radius are placed in an equilateral triangle as shown in the figure. Then the area of triangle, that means equilateral triangle area. Options are given. So this is an equilateral triangle. Observe the figure. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Let us consider the length of an equilateral triangle is A. So from here to here distance is equal to A units. From here to here it is A units. Observe carefully, the three coins of unit radius are placed in unit radius or placed in an equilateral triangle. So all are coins means it represents the circles. From here to here it is 1 unit radius. From here to here is also 1 unit radius. From here to here 1 unit. From here to here 1 unit. So indirectly from here to here how much units it will be? 2 units only, no? After that, we don't know from here to here and from here to here. So from here to here I am assuming that x, even from here to here is also x, same distance only, but it is not exact figure, same distance. So let A be the side of the square, side of the equilateral triangle, be the side of an equilateral triangle. So therefore, A can be expressed as A is equal to length of side of an equilateral triangle is equal to, from here to here it is x, from here to here it is 2, from here to here it is x. So x plus 2 plus x. Therefore, A is equal to x plus x is 2x plus 2. But how to calculate the value of x? Here, if we join from circle center, that means coin center to this vertex, even from here to here also, but any one of the side you can consider. From here to here it is 1 unit, from here to here it is x units, and we know that it is an equilateral triangle. This line is bisecting this vertex, so here 30 degrees, here 30 degrees. So total anyway 60 degrees. So from this triangle, this part, from this triangle, so separately I am drawing once again according to our convenience. From here to here it is x, from here to here it is 1, here 30 degrees. From this triangle, tan 30 is equal to opposite to the angle by adjacent side. So 1 by x. That implies that tan 30, 1 by root 3, which is equal to 1 by x, cross multiply, x is equal to root 3. So whenever you got the value of x is root 3, substitute here. Therefore, A is equal to 2x plus 2, the 2 into root 3 plus 2. Therefore, the length of an equilateral triangle is A equal to 2 root 3 plus 2. They are asking to calculate area of equilateral triangle. We know that the area of an equilateral triangle capital A is equal to root 3 by 4 into A square. This is the formula. So A value substitute there. So root 3 by 4 into A square. 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square, which is equal to root 3 by 4 into 2 root 3 by 2 whole square. 2 taking common, root 3 plus 1 whole square. So that is equal to root 3 by 4. 2 square, that means 4 into root 3 plus 1 whole square. 4 get cancelled. Root 3 into A plus B whole square expansion, 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. So which is equal to root 3. 4 plus 2 root 3. 4 into root 3, 4 root 3. Plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 2, 6. Therefore, the area of an equilateral triangle is 6 plus 4 root 3 square units. So which is there in the first option? I hope everyone understand, dear students. We'll move to the next question. The next question. If the chord of contact of the tangents from a point on the circle x square plus y square equal to a square to the circle x square plus y square equal to b square touch the circle x square plus y square equal to c square, then the roots of equation ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0 are necessarily these options. First time if you read the question you cannot able to understand, but one or twice you have to read the question clearly, you will understand the question. First step, if the chord of contact of the tangents from a point on the circle, so you have to draw one circle. This is the first circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. Chord of contact of the point on the circle. So I am assuming here one point P of x1 comma y1. Whenever point P lies on this circle will becomes x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square only, no? You put it in box, this value. From this point to another circle x square plus y square equal to b square. Here I am drawing another circle. From this point to you draw one tangent which touches at this point. Again from this point you draw another tangent and which touches at this point. This is A point, this is B point. What is chord of contact? The line joining of point of contact of tangents is called chord of contact. So join of these. This is called chord of contact. Chord of contact. Chord of contact of this point P with respect to this circle. Which circle is x square plus y square equal to b square. So whenever the point lies on this circle x1 square plus y1 square equal to a square, this chord of contact formula s1 equal to 0. S1 equal to 0 regarding this circle. So S1 equal to 0 is xx1 plus yy1 equal to b square. So b square we can take this side, minus b square equal to 0. This is chord of contact. This chord of contact touches another circle. So here this is the chord of contact. No? This touches another circle. Which circle it is? X square plus y square is equal to c square. So what is the center of the circle? 0, comma 0. So whenever the line touches the circle, radius is equal to perpendicular distance. So this touches x square plus y square is equal to c square circle. Then r is equal to d. What is radius of the circle? C. Then r is equal to d. R is equal to c. D means perpendicular distance from center of the circle to this s1 equal to 0. S1 equal to 0 means this one, you know. So mod perpendicular distance from center of the circle. R is into the line. Mod c by c value is what here? Minus b square. Divided by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. What is x1 square plus y1 square from here? A square. So c is equal to, within modulus it will become plus b square by root a square. Root a square means a. A we can take here. C is equal to b square by a. Cross multiply. CA is equal to b square. So put it in box. B square equal to AC. Now come to the concept. Next question. The roots of this quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation is given? Ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0. To decide the quadratic equation roots, we need to calculate the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So discriminant of this quadratic equation, b value is what here? 2b. Generally b square minus 4ac, that is equal to b square. What is b here? B is equal to 2b. 2b whole square minus 4 into a value is a, c value is c. So that is equal to 4b square minus 4ac. That is equal to 4, take common, b square minus ac. So in place of b square substitute ac, or in place of ac substitute b square, it will becomes 4 into b square minus b square. Ultimately this value 0. So whenever delta equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. So which option among that? Second option is the right option. Real and equal. I hope understand everyone. We will move to the next question. The next question. Let capital A and B be two fixed points if a perpendicular P is drawn from A to the polar of point B with respect to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square, and a perpendicular Q is drawn from B to the polar of A, then these are the options. So here the question is related to polar and perpendicular distance. That's all. Polar and perpendicular distance, 2 points are there. That fixed points we are assuming that let A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2 are the two fixed points. Next, what is the circle? And given circle x square plus y square equal to a square, and circle equation x square plus y square is equal to a square. So polar of A is there, polar of B is there. So the polar of A with respect to x square plus y square equal to a square is polar equation x1 s1 equal to 0 only, x1 plus y1 minus a square equal to 0. Similarly, the polar of point B means wherever x1 y1 is there, here replacing with x2 y2. The polar of B with respect to x square plus y square equal to a square is, B point means x2 y2. So wherever x1 y1 is there, x2 y2 we have to replace xx2 plus y2 minus a square equal to 0. So according to the question information we wrote it. Now come to first point. If the perpendicular P is drawn from A to the polar of this point. So P is the perpendicular from A to the polar of B. From which point? Perpendicular distance from A means A of x1 y1 to the polar of B. Polar of B means this only, no? To xx2 plus yy2 minus a square equal to 0. That is mod polar of A, in place of x comma y substitute x1 y1. So it will becomes x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus a square divided by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square, root over x2 square plus y2 square. So this is about P. But answers, if you observe that OB, OA like this, it will be there, no? So OA is equal to distance between origin and this point x1 y1, x1 square plus y1 square. Similarly, OB is equal to root over distance between origin and second point x2 y2, x2 square plus y2 square. So in place of x2 square plus y2 square, we can replace with OB. So P equal to mod x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus a square divided by OB. You put it in box this result and even cross multiply. P into OB is equal to mod x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus a square. Equation 1. Next, one more information is there. What information is there? Q is perpendicular distance from which point? From B to the polar of A. From B of x2 y2 to the polar of 2. Directly write it, no need to write polar directly. To polar of A means what? Xx1 plus yy1 minus a square equal to 0. That is Q equal to mod, in place of x and x1 x comma y, x2 to y2 substitute. So mod x2 x1 plus y2 y1 minus a square divided by root over x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. So root over x1 square plus y1 square. So q divide equal to mod x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus a square divided by root of x1 square plus y1 square means what? OA. So now cross multiplying q into OA is equal to mod x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus a square. So from this box, equation number 2, from 1 and 2, what we are going to decide? From 1 and 2, if you observe that both LHS, both RHS values are equal according to me. So here, P into OB is equal to Q into OA. Why? Because here RHS, both are same. So we can equate the LHS. So P into OB equal to Q into OA, which is there in the fourth option. We will move to the next question. The next question, if f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y, these type of questions they will ask in the JEE mains type questions. Why? Because it is conceptual question. From the given concept, we will making it to the concept of circle. So that is the reason. F of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y. For all x and y, f of 1 is equal to 2. And n is the suffix here, an equal to f of n for all n belongs to n. Then the equation of the circle having a1, a2 and a3, a4 are end points of the diameter of the circle. That means the circle is like this. The end points of the diameter of the circle is a1, a2 and a3, a4. So we need to calculate a1, a2, a3, a4 values by using the given information f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y. So first, given that f of x plus y, given relation, f of x into f of y. And also one more information is there, f of 1 is equal to 2. F of 1 is equal to 2 here, which is there. So here, by trial and error method, to get values, f of 1 we got it, now next f of 2 I want. So put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in the above relation. So it will becomes f of 1 plus 1 is equal to f of 1 into f of 1. F of 1 plus 1 means what? F of 2. So f of 2 equal to f of 1 value is 2. So 2 into 2. So f of 2 is equal to 2 square. Similarly, I want f of 3 also. So that time what I am doing is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 I am taking. So this will becomes according to the relation, given relation, f of 2 plus 1 is equal to f of 2 into f of 1 by using the given relation. So f of 2 plus 1 means what? F of 3. It is equal to, what is f of 2? 2 square, we got it. Into f of 1 value is what? 2. So f of 3 is equal to 2 power 2 into 2. So base are equal portion bracket. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2 power 3. So f of 2 is equal to 2 square. F of 3 is equal to 2 cube. And so on. If you do like this way, you will get f of n is equal to 2 power n will come. I hope I understand everyone. After getting f of n value is what? F of n is equal to an. Suffix value is there. So given an is equal to f of n. What is f of n? We got it here, 2 power n. So an is equal to 2 power n. But I want a1, a2, a3, a4. So a1 is equal to, n is equal to 1, substitute here, 2 power 1, that is equal to 2. a2, 2 power 2, that means 2 square, 4. n is equal to 3. a3, 2 power 3, that is equal to 8. a4, 2 power 4, that is equal to 16. So we know that it is x1, y1, x2, y2. The equation of circle whose end point of the diameter of x1, y1, x2, y2 is the equation of circle in diametric form. X minus x1. x1 value is what here? a1. Directly I am writing. X minus x2. What is x2 here? a3. Plus y minus y1. y1 value is what? a2. Y minus y2. y2 value is a4. So the respective values substitute there. X minus a1 value is 2 into x minus a3 value is 8 plus y minus a2 value is 4 into y minus a4 value is 16. So quadratic expression x square minus 8x minus 2x minus 10x plus 16 plus y square minus 16y minus 4y minus 20y plus 64 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 10x minus 20y 16 plus 64 80. So plus 80, which is the required equation of circle whose end points of the diameter are a1, a2 and a3, a4, which is there in the first option. We will move to the next question. The next question. The equation of the circle which touches both the axis and the line x by 3 plus y by 4 equal to 1 and lies in the first quadrant is x minus c whole square plus y minus c whole square equal to c square, then c equal to, these are the options available for us. So question is the equation of circle which touches both the coordinate axis and which lies in the first quadrant and touches the line also. So based on the question, you draw the rough figure, x axis, y axis, and one line is also given, that is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Both x-intercept and y-intercept positive means from here to here, from here to here. That's what I wrote. So if you make the LCM and all, 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. That means minus 12 equal to 0. Both the lines are same. And the circle touches both the coordinate axis and not only both the coordinate axis but also line. So the circle, it forms like this. So this is the circle which touches this line as well as both the coordinate axis. So the circle equation is given x minus c whole square plus y minus c whole square is equal to c square. It is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. No? So center is c comma c. So this is obviously radius r is equal to c. Since this line touching this circle touches this circle, line 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0 touches this circle, then r is equal to d. So what is r? R is equal to radius of the circle. C is equal to mod d value, perpendicular distance from center of circle to the line 4x plus 3y minus 12. So in place of x comma y substitute c comma c. So mod 4c plus 3c minus 12 divided by root over x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9. That implies that c is equal to 4c plus 3c 7c. Mod 7c minus 12 is equal to root 25. Root 25 means 5. So c is equal to mod 7c minus 12 divided by root 25 is 5. Cross multiply. 5c equal to mod 7c minus 12. If you remove modulus here, plus or minus 5c will come there. So that implies plus or minus 5c is equal to 7c minus 12. Consider plus 5c minus 5c. So plus 5c is equal to 7c minus 12 minus 5c is equal to 7c minus 12. So 7c we are taking this side, minus 7c plus 5c is equal to minus 12. So minus 2c is equal to minus 12. So c is equal to minus minus get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 6 are. C is equal to 6 and 7c we can take this side, minus 5c minus 7c is equal to minus 12. So minus 12c is equal to minus 12. So c is equal to 1. So c is equal to 1, c is equal to 6. Both are correct options. Actually, this type of question they will give in advance. Why? Because more than one correct options questions they make chances to give in the examination. So c value 1 and 6, it is there in the first option. Yeah, we'll move to the next question. next question. A regular polygon of 9 sides where length of each side is 2 units is inscribed in a circle. Then the radius of the circle is. How this question? A regular polygon of 9 sides where length of each side is 2 units inscribed in a circle. Suppose for example here polygon mentioned. No? So for example we will take a circle. Polygon inscribed in a circle. So suppose if you consider triangle inscribed in a circle. Square inscribed in a circle. Observe the figures. Here triangle n is equal to 3. Here square n is equal to 4. Here pentagon n is equal to 5. N is equal to 6. Hexagon. Similarly, the regular polygon means all the sides are equal. Here each and every length should be equal. Here number of sides, all are lengths, even lengths also equal. Regular polygon means all the lengths will be equal. Regular means all are equal. For this, like this, n sides are available. N sides in the circle. It will be, just roughly I am saying, one side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this. 9 sides are there. N is equal to 9. Just roughly, for your understanding purpose I am telling. For this type of regular polygon inscribed in the circle, then the radius of the circle they are asking. Then the radius of the circle. So for that we have standard formula. Capital R is equal to AB divided by 2 into cosecant of pi by n. This is the standard formula to calculate this type of problems. According to the question, the regular polygon of 9 sides, number of sides means n is equal to 9 now in this case. Here, according to the question, here n is equal to 9. And each side is equal to 2 units. So, each side means AB is equal to 2. So, this value you can substitute in this formula, we can get the answer. So, capital R is equal to, AB value is 2 by 2. Cosecant of pi by n value is what? 9. 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, R is equal to cosecant of pi by 9. So, this is the required radius of the circle which is inscribed in the circle, the regular polygon. So, cosecant of pi by 9 which is there in the second option. The equation of the circle circumscribing the triangle formed by the lines x is equal to 1, y equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 3 is. So we know that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So lines, what are the lines given? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 3. X-axis, y-axis, this is origin. X is equal to one line which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of 1 unit. See, this is x is equal to one line and y is equal to one line which is also parallel to x-axis. This line is y is equal to 1. Y is equal to one line, x is equal to one line which are intersecting at the point x comma y. X is equal to what? 1. Y is equal to what? 1. So, these two lines which are intersecting at the point 1 comma 1 And another line x plus y is equal to 3 is also given now. So this is x plus y is equal to 3. This is y is equal to 1 line. This is x plus y equal to 3 line. So y is equal to 1. This point of intersection of these two lines equal to, keep bracket, y is equal to 1, substitute in this. X plus 1 equal to 3, x is equal to 1, we are taking this set, 3 minus 1 is 2. So x value 2, y value 1. So point of intersection of these two lines will be 2 comma 1. Similarly, point of intersection of these two. So this point you can calculate. X is equal to 1, substitute in this. So x value is 1. 1 plus y equal to 3. 1 we are taking this side. Y equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So 1 comma 2. They are asking to calculate the equation of circle circumscribing the triangle formed by these three lines. This is y is equal to 1 line, this is x is equal to 1 line, this is x plus y equal to 3 line. Circumscribing the triangle. So the figure will come like this one. This circle we want. So for this circle, this is A point, this is B point. If you assume that this is diametric form of the circle. Here 2 comma 1 is there, no? This is x1, y1. A 1 comma 2 is there here. x2, y2. So what is diametric form of the straight line? X minus, sorry, not straight line, circle. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So substitute that. X minus x1 value is what? 1 into x minus x2 value is x1 y1 x2 y2. Here x1 value is 2, 1 plus y minus y1 value is what? 1, y minus 2. So x square minus x minus 2x minus 3x plus 2, y square minus 2y minus y. So y square minus 3y plus 2. So x square plus y square minus 3x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So which is the required circumscribing the triangle circle here. So which is there in the second option. We will move to the next question. The next question. Circle with center 0, 4 and passing through the projection of 2, 4 on x-axis. This is a good question conceptually. Circle with center 0, 4. 0, 4 means it should be lies on y-axis. So the rough figure will become like this. So 0, 4, that means this is 0, 4. The circle whose center at 0, 4 and passing through the point, the projection of 2, 4. So 2, 4 will be here. 2, 4. Otherwise we can take here also, no problem. Just roughly 2, 4. I am taking here. The projection of x, y on x-axis is x, 0. So the projection of 2, 4 on x-axis is 2, 0. The projection of the point 2, 4 on x-axis. On x-axis y coordinate is 0. So 2, 4 will become 2, 0. Now the circle center is 0, 4 and passing through the projection of 2, 4. Projection of 2, 4 is what? 2, 0. So that means the circle is passing through 2, 0. So the rough figure will come like this. This is the circle equation. From center to point on the circle is equal to obviously radius only, no? So radius r is equal to distance between them 0 minus 2 whole square 4. 4 minus 0 whole square is 16. So root 20. Radius root 20, h comma k is the center. So the required equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus k value is what? 4 is equal to root 20 whole square. So normal expansion, x square plus y square minus 8y plus 16 and root 20 whole square, root 20 we are taking this side, minus 20 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 8y minus 4 equal to 0, which is the required equation of circle whose center at 0, 4 and passing through the projection of 2, 4 on x-axis. So this value is there in the first option. We will move to the next question. The next question. The circle with radius 1 and center being foot of perpendicular from 5, 4 on y-axis. The foot of perpendicular from 5, 4 to the y-axis. So just a rough diagram I am drawing. X-axis, y-axis. Here I am taking that 5, 4 will be here. 5, 4. From this point, foot of perpendicular will be here. This is foot of perpendicular. The foot of perpendicular from point x, y to the y-axis is 0, y. You remember. So 0, what is y here? 4. Once again I repeat. The foot of perpendicular from a point x, y to the y-axis is 0, y. In place of y, what value is there? 4. So 0, 4 is the foot of perpendicular from a point 5, 4 to the y-axis. So this is being a center and radius is equal to 1. So center is C of 0, 1 and radius is equal to 1 unit. From here to here, radius is 1. So radius r is equal to 1. Center 0, 4, h, k. So the required equation of circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So substitute directly. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 1 square. So x square plus y square minus 8y plus 16, 1 square we are taking this side, minus 1. So x square plus y square minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle whose radius is 1 and foot of perpendicular of 5, 4 being a center, that is 0, 4. X square plus y square minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0, which is there in the third option. We will move to the next. The next question. The point on the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0, which is at a maximum distance from the point minus 9, 7. So this is the rough figure. Circle. Circle equation is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12. So x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Center C is equal to minus x coefficient by 2 minus y coefficient by 2. So 3 minus 2. Radius r is equal to root over 9 plus 4 minus of minus 12 root 25 is equal to 5. Why sir you are calculating radius and center? I will tell that. A point on the circle. Somewhere you can take the point. See here I am taking the point here. X, y I am taking this point. The point on the circle which is at maximum distance from a point minus 9, 7. This is S is equal to 0. S11, if you calculate minus 9 comma 7, that means power of point. It decides whether the point is outside or inside. They already mentioned that maximum distance, but still we have to check whether it is there or not. So S11 means 81 plus 49 plus 54 plus 28 minus 12, obviously greater than 0. So the point is outside. So from here the point will be minus 9 comma 7. Join like this. Anyway, here center will be there. Center. What is center? 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. So this point P divides CP line. This is given point. Sorry. This is point P. This is, you can take another point M. The point M divides CP in the ratio of, from here to here it is R, from here to here it is distance between CP, that I am taking as D units. From here to here it is radius. So radius value we got it. D value you can calculate. D is equal to distance between C and P. So root over 3 minus of minus 9, 3 plus 9 whole square, plus minus 2 minus 7 whole square, minus 2 minus 7 whole square. So which is equal to root of 144 9 plus, plus this is minus 9 whole square, so 81. So which is equal to root 225, which is equal to 15. So D value is 15, R value is 5. So R value got it as 5. But by observing C point, the point M divides CP in the ratio of R is to, see here according to this figure, separately I am drawing M C P. From here to here it is radius, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. It is external division. You remember, external division. So this is R plus D value will come. R plus D. That too external division. So M divides CP in the ratio R is to minus of R plus D. M is to N externally means minus. Otherwise, my R is to R plus D externally. Like this you can write it. What is R? R value is 5. Is to R plus D. So 5 plus 15. So 5 is to 20. So 1 is to 4. So 1 is to 4 you have to apply, and external division you have to do that. Externally division. So this is x1 y1. x2 y2, external division you have to do that. So coordinates of m of x comma y equal to mx2 minus nx1. So this is 1 is to 4. This is m, this is n. So 1 into minus 2, better to write here. This is 1 is to 4. mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n, which is equal to m value, n value. This is m, this is n. M value is 1 into x2 value minus 9 minus n value is 4 into x1. x1 value is what? 3 divided by 1 minus 4. Similarly, my2 1 into y2 value is what? 7 minus 4 into y1 value is minus 2 divided by 1 minus 4, which is equal to minus 9 minus 13 minus 22 minus 12 minus 9 minus 21 by minus 3. 7 minus of minus 7 plus 8, 15 by minus 3. So which is equal to minus get cancelled, 3 ones, 3 sevens. Minus 3 fives are 7 comma minus 5, which is there in the second option. Carefully you can do that. Once again I will repeat. The point on the circle which is at a maximum distance. M of x comma y is a point on the circle which is maximum distance from a given point minus 9 comma 7. So maximum distance from here to here, r plus d. And center of the circle is 3 comma minus 2, radius is 5. Whether it is correct or not, whether the point is outside or not, I am verified by taking the power of point S11. So obviously it is greater than 0 means point will be outside the circle. So here CP divides by the point M in the ratio of R is to R plus D externally. Why? Because this M point is away from these 2 points. So that is the reason it is external division. So M divides CP in the ratio of R is to R plus D externally. So 1 is to 4. Externally means minus. You can apply the regular formula, get the answer. 7 comma minus 5. The next question. If the tangent at the point P on the circle x square plus y square plus 6x plus 6y equal to 2 meets the straight line 5x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0 at the point Q on y-axis, then the length of PQ is. So this is the circle equation. Observe carefully. Circle equation. If the tangent at the point on the circle, so here the point is P. If the tangent at the point P, this is the tangent equation. At the point P meets the straight line. This tangent meets the straight line on y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. This straight line, which straight line is 5x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0, which meets on y-axis. On y-axis, which coordinate is 0? X coordinate is 0. This is Q point. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. X is equal to 0 if you put minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. So, anyway, x is equal to 0 on y-axis. So 0 comma 3. Now they are asking distance between these two. QP length they are asking. QP length is equal to length of tangent only. Length of tangent. Length of tangent from 0 comma 3. From 0 comma 3. This you can take as x1 y1. Length of tangent formula root s11. That is equal to root over s11 given circuit. X1 square plus y1 square plus 6x1 plus 6y1, that plus 2 also can take this way, minus 2. So wherever x1 y1 is there, 0 comma 3 replace. So root over 0 plus 3 square plus 0, 6 3s are 18 minus 2. So it is equal to root of 9 plus 18, 27 minus 2, 25. So 25, which is equal to 5. Therefore, the PQ length is equal to 5. PQ or QP. So the answer is third option. We will move to the next question. This concept is length of tangent concept. The next question. F of x comma y equal to 0 is a circle such that f of 0 comma lambda equal to 0, f of lambda comma 0 equal to 0 have equal roots and f of 1 comma 1 equal to minus 2. Then the radius of the circle is. F of x comma y equal to 0 means it is an algebraic equation of circle. F of x comma y is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This equation f of x comma y means it is a circle equation. F of 0 comma lambda equal to 0. That means in place of x comma y, 0 comma lambda. So f of 0 comma lambda is 0. That's it. So in place of x square and y square, 0 and lambda. 0 plus lambda square plus 0 plus 2 into in place of y lambda, 2f lambda plus c equal to 0. So here we are getting lambda square plus 2f lambda plus c equal to 0. Similarly, f of lambda comma 0 is also equal to 0. So lambda square plus 0 plus 2g lambda plus 0 plus c equal to 0. So lambda square plus 2g lambda plus c equal to 0. So this equation and this equation both are having equal roots. They mentioned that both are having equal roots. So whenever the quadratic equation having that equal roots, whenever they have equal roots, discriminant of the quadratic equation goes to be 0. So for this one discriminant calculate, for this one also discriminant calculate. So both the discriminants here a square ax plus bx plus c compare with, so ab equal to here b equal to 2f. So b square means 4f square equal to 4ac, 4 into 1 into c. So f square equal to c. And here also 4g square is equal to 4c. So g square is equal to c. So after that equating these two, why? Because c value no. So f square is equal to g square is equal to c. And if we equate these two also, f square is equal to g square. So f is equal to plus or minus z. In this, which one you can consider means f is equal to plus z only. Why only plus z? I will tell here. So f value, g value. So this equation of circle will becomes, in place of c substitute either g square or f square, x square plus y square plus 2g into x plus 2fy. So one more condition is there, no, sorry, f of 1 comma 1 minus 2. This also can do that. F of 1 comma 1 is equal to minus 2. That implies 1 plus 1 plus 2g into 1, that means 2z plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. This minus 2 also we can take this side. So it will becomes 2z plus 2f plus c plus 4 equal to 0. Since c is equal to g square and I am taking f is equal to plus z. F is equal to generally plus or minus z you take it. So c value is g square 2z plus or minus 2z plus g square plus 4 equal to 0. Two cases here we are getting. One is plus, another one is minus. If you consider f is equal to plus z, so plus z only consider. So 2z plus 2z plus g square plus c equal to 0. So g square plus 4g, sorry, here it is 4. G square is a 4 plus 4 equal to 0. So what is that? G plus 2 whole square equal to 0 only. So g is equal to minus 2. Suppose if you take f is equal to minus z, f is equal to minus z, if you take 2z minus 2z plus g square plus 4 equal to 0. So g square plus 4 equal to 0. G square equal to minus 4 is not possible. So that is the reason f equal to minus z is not possible. So only f is equal to z. So g value equal to minus 2 means f equal to g equal to minus 2 and c is equal to g square. That is equal to minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 4. So f value, g value and c value we know that. Substitute in this equation. So you will get that. So they are asking radius. So radius r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. Root of g square minus 2 whole square plus f square minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 4 cancel. Root 4 which is equal to 2. So therefore the radius of the circle is 2. I hope everyone understand that. This is the way you can go that. Why this is not possible, why this is only possible, here I explained that. We will move to the next question. The next question. If the tangent at 1, 2 to the circle x square plus y square equal to 5 intersect the circle x square plus y square equal to 9 at P and Q, and tangents at P and Q to the circle meet at the point R, then the coordinates of R. Did you expect this? Which concept is related to? This concept is related to pole and polar concept, chord of contact as well as pole concept it is. See how it will be related to chord of contact as well as polar. See, tangent at 1, 2 to the circle x square plus y square equal to 5. So first given point 1, 2, that is x1, y1, given circle x square plus y square equal to 5. At 1, 2, for this circle tangent equation you have to calculate. So this is circle equation. This is circle equation. So tangent I am drawing. Better to take here. This is the tangent equation. 1, 2. The circle is x square plus y square equal to 5. What is tangent equation to the circle? For this circle tangent equation is formula xx1 plus yy1 equal to 5 or minus 5 equal to 0. In place of x1, y1, 1, 2 substitute. So x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. This equation you have to compare with Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. So why sir you are comparing with this? I will tell that. So L is equal to 1, M is equal to 2 and N is equal to minus 5. Tangent equation to this circle and intersect the another circle at the point P and Q. See here, this tangent equation which intersect the circle. This is another circle. X square plus y square equal to 9. This circle. At what point this tangent is intersecting? At P and Q. This is P, this is Q. The tangents at P and Q which are intersecting at the point R. So this is tangent at point P, tangent at point Q which are intersecting at R. So this is chord of contact. This tangent of this circle is chord of contact of this circle. Chord of contact. As well as polar also. Polar equation. Whenever it is polar equation, it will be a pole or be a pole. So for this circle x square plus y square equal to r square, the pole of this polar equation means what? X plus 2y minus 5. So here I am writing the formula. The pole of the line Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0 with respect to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square is minus Lr square divided by N minus Mr square divided by N. So given circle is x square plus y square equal to 9. This is equal to r square equal to 9. Substitute in this formula minus L value is 1, r square 9 divided by N value is minus 5. Minus Mr square minus M value is 2, r square 9 divided by N value minus 5. So minus get cancelled. 9 by 5, 18 by 5. So 9 by 5, 18 by 5 is called the pole. This option is there in the third. So 9 by 5 comma 18 by 5. We will go to the next question. The next question. The circles x square plus y square plus 2ex plus 2vy equal to 0 and x square plus y square 2u1x plus 2v1y equal to 0 are passing through 1 comma 1. Whenever the two circles are passing through 1 comma 1 means, so the two circles which are intersecting or touching each other. See here, first circle, the common chord of the two circles passing through the point means 1 comma 1 is there now. So compulsory the two circles which intersect. Like this, the two circles intersect. Whenever the two circles intersect, the intersecting points are there now. So it will becomes a common chord. Common chord. What is common chord of two circles? The difference of two circles is called common chord. S minus S dash equal to 0. So this is S, this is S dash. So common chord. X square plus y square plus 2ux plus 2vy minus x square plus y square minus plus 2u1x plus 2v1y is equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus 2ux plus 2vy minus x square minus y square minus 2u1x minus 2v1y equal to 0. So x square plus y square get cancelled. And from these two take common. These minus values now we get a second. 2ux plus 2vy is equal to 2u1x plus 2v1y. Both sides 2 take common and cancel. Ux plus vy is equal to u1x plus v1y. This common chord is passing through which point? 1 comma 1. This is common chord passing through 1 comma 1. It passes through 1 comma 1. In place of x comma y, substitute 1 comma 1. So u plus v is equal to u1 plus v1. U plus v equal to u1 plus v1, which is there in the third option. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. In one more video I am going to make on circles concept with level 3 questions. One more video. Most of the students are requesting. So that is the reason I decided to make within 2 days I am going to make that video based on the level 3 questions in the circles. Thank you all. Maths with Panindra.